2021 World Athletics Relay don dey here again. My people, no be small matter. This one no smile because I don see so many of una too like sports. Una don dey smile. The news no be good news. Una no go believe am. Nigeria. My people, as it is now, as una dey hear me right now, Nigeria no go dey presented for this 2021 World Athletics Relay. And in case una wey no know, e dey happen live for Silesia, Poland. Because and according to wetin be name John Akanji, the athletes, those people wey dey go do the sport, they say they deny them visa. They deny them visa. They say they carry all the matter go there. Say okay, these are our people they support. No, una know how normally they do. They run all these kind of things. That's why they say they deny them visa. And according to Ibrahim Shedu, he can't they blame the sport ministry officials. He can't they tell the say na their fault. Say if not, Nigeria not supposed to miss out of this competition. Wahala don escape finally. So we don't reach this level now. Hey! Before, no, I'm not. How I even want to start this? They settle this matter now. How? Before now, worst country, third worst. Now they don't start to deny us visa. They reject Nigerians everywhere. Everywhere you go now, they reject Nigeria. Now why some Nigerians now they don't agree, they talk say I'm a Nigeria. Anywhere they go now, they say they don't change their own nationality. Even countries where Nigeria even reach past them, now they reject Nigeria. Just imagine. Buhari is working. Buhari, nothing is wrong. He is the best president of Nigeria. In fact, the best president in this world. Buhari. Very sweet, very which kind evil news be this one? Which kind? I don't understand. Why be say every time Nigeria own must something must be inside Nigeria matter. You bring other countries fire out, everybody they smile. Yes, everybody they once they see that green, hey, mbano, problem don't start. Now so they go start they look out for something. This is heartbreaking, my people. No, seriously, and it's very embarrassing. Imagine Poland. If I know, I dey sure say at least 2 states in Nigeria, if they bring out resources from those 2 states, they feel even help Poland. No, just imagine the embarrassment. You not go blame them now. Now your country. No, it's Poland your country. It is their decision. They have decided not to give you people visa because they no want make una carry this una jaga style go pollute their country. No, everybody know. Because una too like the show now, say anyway una enter. So no, something must be wrong. Something is wrong, definitely. Wetin happen that last time where these people go do athletics? They say some people run. Up till now, they find those people. They never see them. Now one may they still give una access so that una go enter that place. Like, in fact, I support them. You people should learn. In fact, better your country. Nigeria, better your country. If not, you never see rejection. The way they go, very soon you go hear for headlines. Nigeria does not exist anymore in the way they call it, in the map of Africa. Very soon, make una wait. If you like, no work on all this. What a shame! What a shame, my people. I won't clean my mouth first because I just talk abomination. Abeg na the matter be this. So if you know say you get cousin or family member where they normally participate for this kind of matter, abeg tell them say my condolences. So because this one I don't know whether to call a heartbreak. I don't know. Nigeria will kill your dreams. The people wey sit down for this, you never see anything. All these athletics, una go start the fry puff. When time reach, no continue. Abeg share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen now, and make sure say you subscribe. How you won't get this kind of gist? No, for where? And I still want to know wetin una think. So why not drop that comment for that comment section, and as usual, I go reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.